This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the governor of the state of Mayflower to participate in the emergency alert system. During this state of emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing information and news to the public in assigned areas. This is Mayflower Public Broadcasting Service, serving the New Haven County area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to stations providing information in your local area. You are listening to the emergency broadcasting system serving the New Haven County area. It is requested of all citizens and tourists to comply with guardsmen and law enforcement while they administer local areas, and to stay indoors if you have the ability to. This message will repeat until broadcasting resumes.